How to see who follows you on Instagram. If you want to check who is following you, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. On your profile page, you will see the number of followers you have. Tap on that number and you will see a list of every account that follows you. At the top of the list, there is a search bar. You can use it to look for a specific person by typing their name or username. Below that, you will see different categories, such as accounts you don't follow back. These are accounts that follow you, but you do not follow them. Another category is least interacted with, which shows accounts that you rarely engage with. If you just want to see the full list, you can scroll down and browse through all of your followers. At the very bottom, Instagram may suggest more people for you to follow. If you want to remove a follower, you can tap on their profile, then tap on the three dots at the top right and select Remove Follower. This will remove them from your followers list, but they won't be notified. That's how to see who follows you on Instagram.